Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix Telegram not connecting problem. So let's get started. At first, when we try getting into Telegram, if we cannot see this interface and it takes on loading, what we can do is first we need to take our Wi-Fi connection. We can turn this off and turn it on. And if this yet does not work, you can try your mobile data as well, and even after this your Telegram does not opens, you can uninstall the Telegram app and reinstall it from Play Store. Also you can try logging out and logging in Telegram. For that, let's get into this three dots on the top right corner and click on settings and click on three dots on the top right corner, and we can see this option called logout and click on logout. Before that, you can clear the cache over here as well. Click on clear cache. Let's get back and click on logout. After that, logged in again. So this is all we can do to fix Telegram app connecting problem. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.